Welcome. In this video we will speak about format for number. First, we have too much thing for speak about number. First, if I speak about single number like this, if I have this table and this number is serial for number, I can select all of this and go here for the number and click here and go to number and give it what you need. Okay, you can cancel, you can click on right click, and from format cell you can go to number. In the number he give you something and give you preview for this number, how he will make it. He speak about decimal place, here is 0, I can make 2 or cancel and use 1000 separate comma if you need. It be like this preview for it. And for the negative he give you here some preview and something you need to select. I will select this and I bought separate for more than 1000 and the decimal is 0 and click OK. This will be format for the number. From here you can increase or decrease decimal like this or like this. Okay, this is the single number. If we speak about the salary, and the salary we speak here about the currency and you need to give currency for this, you can select this or all the column and go here from this one and give it the shape you need according to your country as the dollar sign, or you can cancel this and put another one for United Kingdom or more account. If you're not from here, you can select from accounting, you can go here and add your symbol for your currency. Okay, I will cancel and give dollar sign. Okay, for dollar sign you must know, if you go here for the comma style and select it, it will cancel the dollar sign. Okay, so you can put dollar sign from here, or you can cancel by click here for this comma format. Okay, or comma style. Okay, if we speak about balance, and this mean we have something is negative and the other thing is by positive, you can select this and from format and go to this also for the accounting and put symbol if you need, and you can make decimal places too or as you like. And for currency here you can select the negative how will be and click OK. The same thing if you make displacement, you can cancel this or you can give currency for this one. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about is about special thing. If you have social number like this, from here you can select special and go and the social number give format in the database. If you click OK, it will come like this. And the same thing for telephone. If I write this telephone, if you say this what I write, but because it take format for special, it come like this. If you write like this and you need to give format special, you can give special and this is phone number and click OK. It will update automatic. Okay, this is everything we need to speak today. Thank you.